Okay, Huskies, now let's practice our problem number 2. Show your work using any method to simplify. So we've been using algebra tiles. We're going to continue with that. The first thing we need to do in step 1 is to look for a double negative, and I don't see any, but some of you might think you do have one because you have 2 of them, but remember, they have to be side by side. So in this one, we do not have a double negative, so this giant plus, we are not going to touch it. The next step is step 2. That is to highlight your integers. So we are going to highlight -6 and the sign left to it. That's going to be a red, that's -6. And the next number is -7. Some of you have been highlighting just a 7, but no, you have to highlight the entire number and the sign next to it. So that is not a +7, that is a -7. So now step 1 and 2 are complete. Next step is to use your algebra tiles. So we're going to go ahead and bring some over. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let me bring that down, and 6. Okay. My other integer says -7, so we're going to put 7 tiles. So there's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then finally 7. So we had done step 1, 2, and 3. Our next step is to look for 0 pairs, and there are no 0 pairs because 0 pairs are only found with red and yellow. So you don't have 0 pairs. The last step is to count what is left over. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we have negative, oops, the wrong sign, -13. And do not forget to highlight your answer. Okay, Huskies? I don't want to take points off for that. And you need to highlight your answer. So there you go. This is number 2.